Hey friends, welcome back to Mini Kit Monday. Remember, I'm using up some kits. So this is a Not Just for Boys Kit Club kit. This is, well, it's a combination of two kits at this point. But I am really digging on this Vicki Boutin ledger paper. I have two of them. I have not used them yet. Backside is this gorgeous watercolory orange. You can even see some of the watercolor texture, which is so cool. So I just have to trim that off. I also want to look at bringing in maybe some of this as well as some of this backside, because this photo I have, let me tell you the story of this photo. It's kind of neat. So these are all girls, right? My daughter's the one at the very top, and she was in a sorority. She graduated college now. So she is the oldest one, and they have it. So this is her little, so that's kind of like her daughter in this sorority, and then these are hers, and then these are hers, and then this is the youngest. So she's, let's see, how would it go? She's the oldest, so daughter, granddaughters, great-granddaughters, great-great-granddaughter. That's how they do it. It's really kind of cute and funny. But they're all wearing black. The youngest has jeans, the rest have white pants on, black shirts. Great. Cute, great, good stuff. So the black will definitely bring that out, but I also liked a little bit of this orange to bring in some of those fallsy colors that are in the background. And I also have this cut file here, which is, let me put it on the green because I think I'm going to back it in the green. It's just some mountains and all that kind of thing. So I thought I'd say something about these girls will move mountains because they're very impressive people. So that's what I know so far. Don't know much else. I do have, oh my goodness, I have a mess. I have this, hopefully I can write the word mountains with this still. And then I have a bunch of the legendary ephemera. So I will see what I can use from there. It would be cool if I still have those mountains, but I don't know. We will see. So let me get my thoughts in order. I have to back this cut file. It's super cute. And I'm going to do, I know the mountains are going to be all in this really beautiful green tone from Amy Tan, but we will see. Don't really know. Just wanted to give you an intro. I'm going to get working on it and I'll be back in a minute. All right, so quick update. I don't have anything attached down, but I did go ahead and double map my photo with the black on black stripe, as well as some of this orange paper that I showed you. And I went through the Cocoa Vanilla Studio die cut pack, and I really like this blue tone. So I'm bringing in some blue as well, but one of the girls has on jeans, so that's great. I backed my photo in the green paper like we talked about. And I like this word incredible. I think I'm going to pop it up on a little foam and have it over the mountains. And so mountains is going to be in that font. And I went into my Alpha Stash, and I'm going to use these white foam for These Girls Will Move. It's going to be white on this tone, but it's going to be enough because it's going to be dimensional and it's bright white. And mountains is the main word. So I don't have anything attached down, but I want to start getting that done. I also went into my Not Just for Boys Kit Club stash and grabbed out enamel dots, photo corners, these ridiculously cute little gold stars that I'm trying to use up. Aren't they cute? As well as some sequins. So let me get a bunch of this stuff down and I'll come back and show you where I am. Alrighty, so another quick check-in. All of these pieces are on. I did put the photo corners in. I popped this piece up here on foam tape, this cute arrow, which seems a little wonky-fied. Let me see if I can shimmy it up a little bit. That's up on tape. These are down flat. This is on that really great white foam. I love foam. Foam where These Girls Will Move. See, you can see it, but it's not super bold. So brings in the whole mountain thing, the green thing. All of that is awesome. So what I think I should do enamel dot wise is I really think I should bring in green enamel dots so I have a reason for the green to be here and here. I definitely need to bring some up there. I know I wanted to look at some of these little gold stars that I have. And then if I need to, I can bring in sequins. Not super important, just if I need to. So let's start with the green enamel dots because I think they're super important in this particular design because They're a little tiny bit greener than I might want. Yes, they are. And I have a choice. So look at these. These are a lot more spot on. Okay. Now I'm a little bit happier. I like the deeper green, and I get to use up a little pack too. So how is that not like awesome sauce? Oops, I put on a blue one. I don't want the blue, I want the green. All right, now since we do have the same navy though, let's go ahead and carry that. Why not? Let's see, I can bring in a little bit of this deeper navy here and some of the navy there. So, and then I still have 3 when I need to use them later on. So happy little fun accident there. Not a big deal. Like the way it turned out though. And then I do want to get some of these cute little gold stars on. Now I would normally be using these little Zot sticky things, but I am fresh out when I have that going actually upright because the other star's on a wonky. On a wonky. And let's see, come on little guy. Come on little guy. There we go. And I'll put one down here, and then that'll give me some beautiful gold goodness. Maybe, see, I don't want it on the same level as that. I don't want it too low. Oh, the decisions, my friends. Look, if I go like that, it looks like a Christmas tree. It does, but we're not trying to Christmas tree it. I'll have it just pretty darn even Steven with this. Now, what next? Do I bring in mist, or is there plenty going on this? I don't even know if I have dark green mist. I have like, I have all the bright colors. Don't even know about the dark. I definitely have gold. We know that. So why don't we bring in my Jen Hadfield gold mist that I invoke way too often. This kind is my fave right here. Let's see. I will bring this in. Oh, you know what? The one thing I didn't do that I was thinking about doing is, can I get this giant honking word family in here? You know what? I think it's going to not work with my design. Not a big deal. Next time. All right, so I'm going to get some gold mist on here, and this one will be finished so quickly, but sometimes they just go like that. Maybe because I have great fun products, and which I do love. Okay, so while I'm doing the Splatty Bits, I will leave the links down below for the rest of the Mini Kit Monday ladies. We have a Facebook group. We have all of us who are on YouTube. So you can see, I mean, we all make our own kits. There's usually an inspiration piece. This month, mine is supposed to be Thankful, and I've put my kit together-ish using Thankful. But, you know, it's just a jumping off point. That's how it is. You got to do what you got to do and use your supplies, use your stash, all that kind of stuff. Okay, let me show you a close-up of this one. I think it is ever so adorable. I really like this one. And I liked that I was able to get this die cut in. I chose not to do filling in the clouds or the stars, because just letting them be a supporting role, not the main star of the show. Okay, questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Bye, friends.